Hello, good afternoon students. Hope you all are safe and fine. Students, today we will start with our chapter number 4, force. Force is said to be in state of rest or motion. Students, things around us, for example, table, parked car, chair are stationary. They are in state of rest. Other like vehicles like car moving on a road are in state of motion. So students, chair, table, parked car cannot change their position as they are in state of rest, and these will need to change their position if we use a push or pull. So to describe a push or pull, we use a word force. In your previous classes you have read that force is a push or pull. So that is, in this chapter we will read about that how force is a push or pull. So our next topic is effect of force. The different things that force can do is called effect of force. A force can change the state of rest or of a motion of a body. So it can do different things. So today we will study the effect of force. First effect is force can causes motion. A body at rest or stationary object move when a force is applied. You can see in this picture that engine moves when force is applied. Next is force can increase the speed. The speed of a body increase when a force is act on it in the direction in which it is moving. For example, if you are on a swing and your friend pushes the swing in the same direction in which it is moving, the swing will move faster. Next is force can decrease the speed. So if a body is moving in a particular direction and you applied a force on it in the opposite direction, the speed of the body will decrease. Okay, for example, now you are on a swing and you applied a force on swing on opposite direction to its motion, the swing will slow down. Okay, our next is force can change the direction of motion. Sometimes a force acts on a moving body, changes its direction of motion. In picture you can see here, for when a ball bounces back from the floor and you hit it with your hand, the force you applied changes the direction of its motion from upward to downward. So next is force can changes the shape and size. Force can also changes the shape and size. Here we can take the example of a pillow. Okay, when we press, the pillow changes its shape. So, and dog is also, that is also, when we press it changes its shape. So now we can define force. Force is something that can bring about a change in the state of rest or of motion of a body, or a change in its shape or size of a body. So this is the definition of the force. So next our topic is unit of force. Force is a physical quantity and it can be measured. The SI units of force is Newton and the symbol is N. So this is the units of force. 1 Newton is approximately the force you would apply to lift an object of mass 100 gram. To lift 1 kg, you would have to apply a force of about 10 Newton. So students, today we will do up to here. You read the chapter up to here. Thank you. Have a nice day.